Yuri pull Usha's loose tooth with a truck.
Yuri, help me, my teeth hurt so bad.
Let Dentist Yuri help you. Bite hard on this apple. Stand still. Your loose tooth won't fall out if you run like that. We did it.
Cooking disaster from Chef Yuri.
Mom is sick. I have to cook something for her. Mom will be very happy when eating this one.
What's wrong, Yui?
I'm sorry, Mom. I was going to cook for you, but it's burnt out.
It's okay, baby. Although it's spoiled, I'm still very happy because you took care of me.